Besties, do you know you can make a decent amount of money working as a virtual assistant? And I'm gonna get right into it, guys. The first website I'm gonna be introducing you guys to is Virtual Employee. If you want to become a virtual assistant, head over to Virtual Employee. In case you're wondering, Virtual Employee is a virtual assistant company. If you're looking to become a virtual assistant, it is your best choice. They offer VA services like IT outsourcing, digital marketing, content writing, graphics and web design, programming, finance and accounts, and so much more. In case you're wondering how does it work, you need to send them your requirements, and then they'll review your requirements, they'll contact you, and then you can choose your team members through the interview process. You can get paid hourly as a virtual assistant, or you can get paid weekly or even monthly or bi-weekly, depending on how you want to get paid. The next virtual assistance company I'm going to be introducing you guys to is People Per Hour. Yes. So guys, if you want to become a virtual assistant, you can head over to People Per Hour and start to apply for a job as a virtual assistant. It's one of the most popular websites for freelancers and online assistants. They have over 1 million clients and freelancers, yes, that they have connected through People Per Hour. You can trade your services as a designer, as a marketer, as a social media manager, as a translator, as a web developer, and of course as a writer. In case you're wondering how does it work, if you're an employer at People Per Hour, you can access global talent. And for you to hire a virtual assistant, first of all, you have to post a project with accurate details. So based on the project details, the best possible matches, freelancers will contact you with their proposal, and you can pick a skilled virtual assistant. As for the pricing, they don't charge you for posting a job offer. Yes, a virtual assistant or freelancer will pay a small fee to the website after getting the payment from the client. So when you get on there and you get paid, then you can pay like a percentage to the company for giving you clients. This is a way to actually make sure that you have rolling money, rolling dollars, rolling business for your business, for you. Yes. So guys, another website here is I'm gonna be introducing you guys to is Apployer. Is it Apployer or Apploy? Yes. So while you're working abroad or far from your workplace, suppose you want to work as a virtual assistant, from any part of the world, Apploy can help you to track down every bit of, your activities, yes, with no manual labor. So guys, Apployer is also a way to make you accountable. So while you're using it, they use it to monitor virtual assistants, they use it to track the progress of performance of employees, and they also have an online timesheet, which is a feature of Apployer, and they help you track down the employee activity based on the 5 particular bases that they have on their websites. They also have a daily timesheet that you have to fill as a virtual assistant, if you're working daily, weekly or bi-weekly, so that they can use it to evaluate how much you should be paid. So guys, they also have a custom feature which shows how much time an employee works for a specific period in the past, and you can select any project, any employee, and any task while you're doing that. In addition, you have absolute control over the use of this app. They have an all-round feature of tracking remote employees, and it helps to empower business owners and businesses overall control over their virtual assistants. They also offer screenshots of the VA's devices, how they are recorded in a random time scale. Yes. So guys, if you want to become a virtual assistant, you want to work for other businesses as their virtual assistants, help them with scheduling, with time management, with graphics design, with social media management, and what have you. There's a website, I'm sure you've heard of it, that you can also look into as a virtual assistant. Yes, it's called Fiverr. Fiverr is of course a popular freelance website for both virtual assistants and of course clients, and hopefully you're going to find a job suitable for you on this website. After you become a VA, if you're looking for software to manage your work as a virtual assistant, there are so many apps that can help you to make that happen. So guys, that is it for today. If you're looking to become a virtual assistant, there are so many opportunities that you can take advantage of. So guys, I'm going to be giving you a freebie in today's video. So guys, in case you have not heard or you don't know, I'm going to be introducing, if you're a business owner, you have a small business and you're looking for ways to get new clients, whether as a small business owner or even as a virtual assistant, if you're looking to be hired as a virtual assistant or you're looking to be hired for whatever service that you render, guys, this is a good way to get leads, like converting like I don't think I've seen anything like this before, and it was something I stumbled on by mistake, and it's working. Like like a dream. So guys, what you need to do is this: head over to yelp.com. I'm not an affiliate. I don't work for them. I don't work with them. I only use their service and I'm blown away. So go to yelp.com, register your business on Yelp. And when you do that, they will offer you free adverts. Please take on that offer. That free ad has been the best thing that has happened to me in recent times. So go on yelp.com, take on their free ad offer. And guess what? A month, they will run ads for you for a whole month. So after 1 month, you can decide to cancel, you can decide to stop. They will not charge you for the first month, like I said. But guess what, guys? You can make up to 10,000% returns on investments. You heard me right. Depending on your products and your services. Yes, for me, I sell premium services, premium goods and services. So that is the reason why, for me, Yelp gives me like 10,000% returns on investments. So yes, as a virtual assistant, you go in there, and then you run an ad. People will book you. People will start to call you, and these calls will generate into clients. I'm telling you, Yelp has given me so far, by far, the best returns on investment when it comes to running ads. Please do not run ads on Facebook anymore. Don't try to run ads on Instagram. They are not conversing. This converts more than anything I've ever seen. I'm speaking for them, and this is 2024. As at 2024, please go check out yelp.com ads. I don't work with them. I'm not an affiliate. I don't even have any link for you. Just go by yourself. Go to yelp.com and run ads on there. Make sure that you register, just register yourself as a business on the app on yelp.com, and then they will pitch you with their free ad for a month. Yes, please take on the offer. Take on the offer. They will ask for your bank details, definitely, but they will not charge you. I can assure you that for free. They're not going to charge you, so yes, you're going to get a lot of leads, and yes, at the end of the month, you won't even mind paying subsequently every month, because man, it's worth every penny. In case you don't have any ad budgets or you don't have any marketing budgets every month, this is a budget you must have. If you want to have a business, if you want to stay in business, you must run Yelp ads. Like, I am beating my chest for you guys. See, Yelp is the best investment I've done when it comes to running ads for my business. And I hope that with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that yes, you can make money from the comfort of your home. Don't forget, advertisements is the lifeblood of every business. Go ahead and run your ads on Yelp today and thank me later. And I hope with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can start to make money from the comfort of your home and be in money. Yes. And that is it for today, guys. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you're me to where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. God bless you. Yes. And that is it for today, guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparking for your girl chassis. Bye, guys. Love you.